We all know GainzAlgo. It's the flashy premium indicator suite that everyone talks about for those clean buy and sell signals. But let's be real, spending nearly $50 a month just to see a green or red tag on your chart is a steep ask, especially in a time where people now are going into debt not being able to afford groceries. But if you still want to try out GainzAlgo for free, go check out the top corner of the video. However, if you're still interested, what if I told you there's an alternative hiding in the TradingView library that offers similar powerful signals, a full dashboard, and even automated trading features for free? Premium indicators like GainzAlgo are quote-unquote fantastic tools that proclaims to offer smart signals, noise reduction, and backtesting add-ons. But for many traders, the monthly subscription eats into the very profits they're trying to make. You need a tool that gives you clarity, trend direction, entry points, and exits without the recurring bill attached. This isn't just a simple moving average. The Stock Algo Alpha provides clear buy and sell indicators directly on your chart, designed to filter out market noise just like the paid competitors, but it goes a step further. It's perfect for traders who want structure without rigidity. This is not some fixed stop strategy. It molds to market conditions and helps you manage trades systematically. Let me break it down. The indicator uses ATR multipliers to determine two important levels, long stop and short stop. These stops define whether the trend is up or down. Uptrend when price is above the short stop level and downtrend when price is below the long stop level. This means your trend direction is dynamically defined by volatility, not just a simple moving average, meaning they're like trend bodyguards that tell you when the market's on its bullish side or crashing in its bearish side. Oh, come on. We all know what a buy signal and sell signal means. When a signal fires, the indicator automatically computes a stop loss. For a long trade, the stop is half the ATR below your entry, and for a short trade, stop is half the ATR above. Also, it sets 3 profit target levels. 1 times ATR, first profit level, your toe in the water level. 1.5 times ATR, second level, feeling spicy, and finally 2 times a TR, third level, for all in. Balls deep, retire if it hits level. This gives you a flexible exit structure depending on how aggressive or conservative you want to be. On your TradingView, unlike Lux Algo, it gives entry, stop loss, and profit targets. That means no guesswork. You literally see where to put things. You can configure real-time alerts for trend direction changes and buy or sell signal triggers. This keeps you in the loop so you don't miss a good setup. What makes this special, and here are the standout features that give this indicator its edge in trading. It features an integrated alpha dashboard that gives you a thorough summary of signals across different time frames. Instead of flipping through charts, you get a snapshot of the market trend right in the corner of your screen. Now, here is the killer feature that even some paid tools struggle with: automated trading ability. The indicator script includes built-in functionality to help automate your strategy. You can toggle your basis line between SMA or EMA to fit your specific trading style, whether you're scalping crypto or swing trading stocks. But the best chart it trades on is Dow Jones 30. I mean, look at this. It hit all 7 TPs. And yes, you can use it on your phone. You people keep spamming my comments for one, so here you go. So enjoy taking trades when you're not available on PC or wherever go. It simplifies the complex. You get the trend confirmation, the entry signal, and the automation logic all in one place. It's designed to democratize trading, giving retail traders tools that usually sit behind a paywall. Here is a practical step-by-step guide on how to install it. Just download this file from the link in the description. Take script code on the text. Open TradingView and go to Pine over here. Click on Create New and click Indicator. After that, delete all this text because it will interfere with code. And just add the copied and click on Add to Chart. Bam! You have successfully become a programmer and installed an indicator on the chart. Simple, huh? Hey, getting this code ain't easy, so please leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more source like this. So here's why this tool is a powerful ally. High accuracy. Because everything is ATR based, the levels are adaptive, not arbitrary. Automated risk management. It does the math for you. You don't have to guess where to place stops or profit targets. Visual clarity. Lines and labels remove ambiguity. You know exactly where entries and exits are. Real-time awareness. Alerts help you stay on top without constant chart watching. Customizable. You can tailor it to different assets, timeframes, and volatility regimes. Scalable across markets. Whether you're into stocks, Forex, or crypto, it's usable. No strategy or indicator is perfect, and Stocks Algo has its trade-offs. Here's what might trip you up. If your ATR period or multiplier is off, Stop losses might be too tight or too wide, hurting performance. No built-in money management rules. While it gives levels, it doesn't automatically optimize risk per trade, like how much % of your equity to risk. You have to layer that on. Learning curve. If you're new to ATR-based systems, bars confirmation, or dynamic sizing, you'll need some practice to use this well. What if the market is very choppy? Then don't trade it. It's that simple. You can also limit trading to confirm trends. Consider not trading when ATR is low or trend is weak. Are the profit targets realistic? The 3 profit target levels, 1 times, 1.5 times, 2 times ATR, are designed to be realistic and adaptive. GainzAlgo might not like this video, but anything for my trading community. But if you enjoyed this video, comment down below which system you want me to try out next. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tools that save you money. I'll see you on the next candle.